Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today is day 4 of the flattened hand washing challenge hosted by Cloth Diaper Podcast. Today I want to talk about what my wash routine is and how I'm handling it in a way that I think most people could. So I personally have a diaper sprayer and the spray mate system. So my big contraption just sits on the toilet, and then I clip my diaper to it, spray it. It takes like 30 seconds, and then I either leave it there to like drip dry, or if I'm in a hurry, then I wring it and throw it into the pail that I use for diaper storage, dirty diaper storage. However, I have been trying to do things in a way that more people would be able to sustain, because I'm well aware that not everybody can just drop $100 on a diaper sprayer and spray mate combo. I know that you can find diaper sprayers on the buy sell trade groups, but not everybody knows about these groups, and you might not be able to find one for a while. And then I know that Amazon, eBay, places like that also have some off-brand ones for like $25, but hey, some people just might not be able to even swing an extra $25. So I wanted to do this challenge in a way that somebody who couldn't afford to do these things could still afford to do this. So I put my bucket on the toilet, and then I just tried to like put my diapers on the side, and then like pour water over it with a cup. That way doesn't work very well. My son still has very soft poops. His poop are very, very rarely ever ploppable, so that doesn't really work for me. I have a thing with toilet water. I don't mind touching baby poop at all, but as soon as toilet water splashes me, I am so grossed out. So basically I don't want to dunk and switch either. So I figured that if you have like a pair of kitchen gloves or something, then that will work. You can dunk your diapers and swish them out in the toilet. You can hold them over the side and just keep flushing until the diapers not have solid poop on it anymore. There's a lot of ways, but I'm going to try to make a video probably after the challenge is over about the different ways that I have learned to get solid waste off of my diapers so that I can wash them. Right now I'm having a little bit of a difficult time. I had oral surgery today, removed some teeth that were had infection. My health is not doing great, so yeah, I'm going to try to keep making videos for the rest of the challenge, but be patient. If I can't make it one day, that's why. Yes, so when I started the challenge, I said I was going to use 12 flat diapers and 6 covers. So the 6 covers is fine because I don't use a cover every time that I put a diaper on my baby, but the 12 flat just were not enough because of like drying time. So, and I also said I was going to wash every day, but because of my specific circumstances with my teeth, I've been having a very hard time falling asleep. I've been in a lot of pain and had a hard time washing every day. So I am using some receiving blankets, some flannel receiving blankets, because that's something that was free. It was a hand-me-down, and most people have them anyways. And also 2 of Mike's t-shirts that have like stains and stuff on them. I'm going to be doing a video with using those. So stay tuned for that. I might or might not be talking in that video. You can kind of gauge when you need to wash your diapers because like your bucket, if you add them to your bucket every time, you'll see, you know, when it's time to wash diapers. My bucket is a little bit overflowing right now because of the circumstances, but I think I will wash them in the bathtub tomorrow morning and just stomp them instead of using a plunger, because they told me like no physical activity because I don't want to get dry sockets. So yeah, that's fun. And at this point I might have dropped out of the challenge if we could use disposable diapers, but my son is too allergic. We can't even use them anyway, so I would have to wash diapers anyways, even if it was in the washer. It's not much different for me. Yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, but just do what works for you when it comes to washing your diapers and finding a routine. Over time you'll just find what works for you, and also like your routine will change when you go from different stages of baby's life and different seasons of your life. Things are going to change, and just don't fight it, don't push against it, just go with the flow, and I promise you that everything will work out. If you like this kind of video, make sure that you subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions, if you just want to say hi or anything like that. I love to meet new people, especially who have similar interests. So yeah, leave me a comment. And also make sure you like the video so that other people who need to find content like this can find it. And make sure you check out Cloth Diaper Podcast on YouTube as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.